Uh, Dear students, in our last topic, we discussed the words consonant before and sound like SHUHL, SH, SH, U, HL, SHUHL. Today, we are going to discuss the words with vowels, the words which have vowels before last CIAL and sound like SHUHL. So, let's start. Okay, as you know, a word special, a word special. Now, if we focus on the word special, it it ends with CIAL, sound shall. But if you look at the word special before CIAL, we have a vowel word letter. We have a vowel letter E. As we know that vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So special special has a vowel E before CIAL. So its sound shall. Yesterday or in our last video, we discussed consonants before PIAL sounds shall. So just like marshal, R is a non-vowel letter, means it's a consonant, so TIAL sounds like shall. But today we discuss the words which have vowels before the ending CIAL. We discuss here the example special. So SPE, E is a vowel letter and CIAL sounds like shall. So it's special. Okay, now we have some examples here to the word, just like we have official, official, OFFI. I is a vowel letter and it came before CIAL, so it sounds like shall. Special, E is also vowel and sound like shall. CIAL, so special, because because of letter E, CIAL sounds like shall. Artificial, artificial, artificial also have vowel I before CIAL, so CIAL sounds like shall. Next, we have social, social, O, A-E-I-O. O is also a vowel, so CIAL sounds like shall, social. Now we have a word crucial, crucial. U is also a vowel, so vowel letter, so CIL sounds shall. If you look at facial, so A is also a vowel. That's why CIL sounds shall. Okay, now beneficial, beneficial. I, again we have I is also a vowel, so beneficial CIL sounds shall. Superficial, so superficial also have CIL have I before, so that's why we pronounce it superficial. Antisocial, antisocial, antisocial also have O C I before CIL, so it sounds like shall. So in this box, if you look at all the vowel words have a all the words have a vowel letter A, E, I, O or U before the shall sound, means CIAL sound. Usually this means that the sound is spelled using CIAL. So here is some uh, words with CIAL before letter U. CIL have letter U before it. So it's a some just like an activity finding out the word which we can pronounce as shall. So here we have a list of the words which have which have an vowel before CIAL, before CIAL: official, special, antisocial, superficial, beneficial, official, crucial, social. So we have a list that contains words which are ending with CIAL and have a vowel letter before CIAL and sounds like shall. So it was our today's video. Like, share and subscribe for more educational videos. Thank you very much.